Hey everybody, welcome back to another Walk Around Wednesday. All right, so today we're going to go over the 49 Chevy again because this should be the last time for quite a while that we'll see this truck other than the Sunday episodes. If you've been watching the Walk Around Wednesday videos, we're kind of giving you ahead of what's actually happening. So if you're catching those Sunday videos, we're actually diving deep into what we're doing, how we're doing it, and all that fun stuff. This, I'm just kind of letting you know where we're at. So 2 days left to finish this truck. I'm running on no sleep for the last couple of weeks. Really need a nap, but we're going to get through it. We're almost there. She's fired up. She's looking good. We've got a lot of shirts over on the website. Head over there, check those out. Pick yourself up a Hot Rod Shop shirt. We've got 4 different ones over there right now: the Maverick, the Charger, the Superbird, and the traditional shirt. And once those are gone, we'll have some more coming in. We also have a lot of new products that are about to drop on the website, so keep an eye on that because we got some cool stuff headed over there. I've been working with a few different companies on a few different things, so got some cool stuff coming. Also, make sure if you want to enter the Vim tool giveaway for the SMS 400 and SMS 600 master socket sets from those guys, a 1/4 drive and a 3/8 drive full socket set from Vim Tools, you have to subscribe to this channel and comment Vim Tools. So if you subscribe and you comment on this video, Vim Tools, or if you go back to the giveaway video from last week and comment Vim Tools and subscribe, that enters you to win. We're going to give those away on March the 10th. So win yourself some tools because we want to give you some really good tools. We've used Vim on this entire build right here. Really good tools. Love them. You guys will love them too. So enter that. Get yourself some tools. So as far as the truck goes, oh man, we're right there. Let me show you. So as far as the body goes, if you guys have been keeping up with this, we're pretty much done with the body. We got the wheels on it today. Woo-hoo, man, looks bitchin'. I'm loving it. I can't wait to see it on the ground. That's what I'm about to do. As soon as I finish this video, I'm going to set it on the ground. Make sure to check out the Sunday video coming up because we'll have some good stuff on that. But in the rear, if you guys have seen it, you know we did a split bumper style rear end. We just kind of designed what we wanted, drew it out. We built the roll pan, 68 Camaro bumper that we cut up and did a lot of fab on to get those to fit like we wanted them to. Tucked them into a fully slicked out tailgate. Redid the stake pockets, the bed rails, inner fenders. Got all those built in there, polishing all that now. We've got all the wood in. That red really looks good against the black. I really like how that turned out. Got a video coming on that as well for how we got that red and what we did. Also have the actuator hooked up for this piece where it lifts up. You can access the fuel tank and get yourself a little glimpse of some of the drivetrain right there. So all that's looking really good in the back. Wheels are intros. These are 20 by 12s in the rear. Tuck in there pretty nice, and the rear end's actually hanging right now, so we should get a little more tuck than that. Got all the fit looking good. All the interiors now in it, almost. We've got the door panels done. Doors are all functioning like they should. Power windows are hooked up. I've got the carpet all finished up. All that's looking nice. All of our under dash panels are looking really good. Got our rear panels going in. The battery's behind that one, so that'll go in last. Headliners, sun visors are all finished up. Front wheels are on it. Looking good. And on the front end, we've got our Oracle headlights. We went for the black look for those since we kind of blacked the truck out now. It had a lot of chrome on it before. We left the grille chrome so that would kind of stand out in front. We also blacked out the blinker lights so they'll match the headlights. Color matched a lot of stuff in here. Got the Speed Tech stacked injection looking really good. Radiator hoses are finished up. Accessory drive. AC. Got the Eddie's Motorsports hinges with the gas shocks. Those work really well. Just looking good. Got the Ken Diggett door handles in it, like that sleek design. So if I can squeeze myself down here, it'll be hard to see until I get it on the lift, but all the bottom sides finished up. Exhaust is looking good. We've still got our end pieces to weld into the ends of the exhaust. The nickname of the truck is OL 49, so we've got OL to weld in the back of that one, 49 to weld in that one, which should just add a nice touch to that. But it's looking really nice under here. We've got to get it on the lift, do a little detailing. So it's all looking nice. Really happy with how it's coming out. And since I've got you here, check this out. Almost. So that's just one of our first couple of fire ups. So with that fuel injection, that's Phi-Tech that's running all of that. So we've got our controller and everything mounted. So we're going to go through, do a little tuning, self-learn a little bit as we can drive it. We don't have but a couple of days, but hopefully we can mess with that a little bit, play with the idle a little bit. We haven't messed with anything. That's just exactly how she fired up. So it's already really close and sounding good. So the next thing I want to do is get it on the ground. And I think while I have you guys, why don't we get it on the ground? I want you guys to see it too. So let me grab a jack. Let's see if we can get it on the ground. With how low it's going to sit, hopefully we can get the jack in and out of it. And then the way he sets it up on his display, which is really cool. You guys, I have to check it out. I'm sure you'll be able to find it online from the ISCA finals that he's going to next week in Pittsburgh. He has to elevate it up in the air to get it on his wheel stands. And this is something that we actually haven't tried yet with the truck all the way lowered. So fingers crossed that we can get the jack in and out. Ooh, close. All right, gonna have to grab another jack. Oh, it looks so good. I love it. Such a different truck than before. Unbelievable. That roadster shop chassis really sets it off too. Got a super low stance, big wheels and tires that are really tucked in there. Totally changes the way this thing looks. There's one more thing I want to do before we end this thing. I got to make sure it moves because he's got to get it in and out of the trailer and into the spot. We're going to do our test driving and stuff like that probably after he gets past this show, but we at least need to make sure right now everything functions how it's supposed to. So let's fire it up and see if it moves. say that's a win. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this one for a quick walk around Wednesday. We've got a lot done on this truck. We're right here at the finish line. Hopefully we can get this thing finished up in the next couple days. We're right there. We just got to critique some things, dial some things in a little bit. You know how it is when you're crunching and you're trying to do a build that's this fast, and I've ran into this a lot on the TV shows because it is deadline after deadline after deadline. You start running into little things that hold you up. We ran into a power steering pump issue once we got it all fired up and going, but we got that sorted out today, but that took some time to get that figured out. We've had a couple of little other things pop up, but nothing too major. It's been pretty smooth. It's just been really fast trying to get it done this quick. But I appreciate you guys watching, as always. Head over to the website, check out some of the merch over there if you're interested. Also, though, make sure you enter to win the Vim tool socket sets. I really want you guys to have those. I want you to check them out. Everybody needs new tools. So all you got to do is subscribe to this channel, comment Vim tools on this episode, or any episode really. If I see that you've subscribed and commented Vim tools on any one of our videos, I will enter you in the contest that we will give these away on March the 10th. We'll pick a winner at random and hopefully be sending you guys some new tools, and then maybe we'll be doing another giveaway right after that one. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you're enjoying the build. Check out those Sunday episodes. We got a lot of detail involved in this build over there. I guess I'm going to keep working. See you guys next time.